Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Chamomile for hair, what is useful and how to use. Natural ingredients for the health of the body as a whole and all its parts have always been a priority. For example, beauties of all ages have given particular importance to the care of the body, skin and hair. The laurels of primacy here belonged mainly to chamomile. For a long time, our ancestors used chamomile as a routine care, but now it has become the basis of many luxury brands. So what are the benefits it can bring in hair care and how to properly use it at home? The value of chamomile flowers lies in the large amount of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant components. When incorporated into hair care, scalp inflammation or irritation can be easily relieved. It will also help fight dandruff or itching. Antioxidants will in turn give your hair a healthier look. In addition, by improving blood circulation, hair growth will significantly improve and root volume will increase. Natural pigments contained in this plant gently lighten hair and give it a beautiful, healthy shine. This property makes it an indispensable component in the care of light or bleached hair if it needs minor color correction. And no less important property, chamomile flowers perfectly regulate the work of the sebaceous glands of the scalp, which in turn provides a long-lasting effect of cleanliness after washing. Ease of use makes chamomile an indispensable product. It only takes you a few minutes to prepare an effective hair rinse. Anti-dandruff hair conditioner. It is worth charging 2 tablespoons of chamomile flowers with half a liter of boiling water. Cover and let it brew for 10-15 minutes. Do this before going to the shower. During this time the broth will infuse decently. Rinse clean hair with broth, leave wrapped in a towel for 10 minutes and let the hair dry naturally. Rinse for lightening and shining hair. Take 3-5 tablespoons of chamomile flowers. The more chamomile, the more expressive the brightening effect will be, and pour 1 liter of boiling water. Leave it warm for about 15 minutes. Rinse your hair after washing and pat dry with a towel. If you add 1 tablespoon to the broth, a spoonful of fresh lemon juice, hair shine will be even more intense. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.